So I got a suggestion working on this guy still. The goal is still to be able to play the whole thing at 160 without warming up. But perhaps breaking it down into smaller pieces as a warm-up might not be a bad idea. So have it at 160 and maybe just like add a bar here and there. So what am I talking about? Obviously I gotta keep, well, yeah, both of us. This is a two-party thing. Keeping the back issue in mind here, kind of allowing you the time to ramp back up into this stuff, since you haven't been able to give things your full effort. Because if your back is in constant pain, you certainly can't concentrate very well on being able to play a bunch of stuff. I know I couldn't. So what I mean, so I got to 160 and just give it a few shots just to get like a solid 1 bar deal. So you make sure you got that, and then do like 2 bars, and just stick with that until you can get that, and then try try a little bit more. Maybe like try 2 lines, and so on. So just like maybe as a warm-up thing, instead of like building up the speed to it, just do like little pieces of it before going for the whole thing. See how something like that goes. And then the other thing to do, so part of this is I want to get you back into being more rhythmic with the legato stuff. And if I remember right, one problem was, I think it was a speed or possibly clarity issue at one of the slower speeds. Or not one of the slower speeds, one of the other legato things. And you just mentioned how I think your hand was fatiguing before you reached the 140 goal mark. So also keep in mind, or I'm trying to keep in mind, like this is kind of like easing back into things, because still definitely want to hit rhythmic stuff with the legato here, which is just going to help your ears all the more. So yeah, just 140 is what you're shooting for here. Definitely accuracy first. So if, like, let's say at 120, that's as fast as you can get it while remaining accurate, then 120 it is. Just get it to where you can. If 140 seems like a piece of cake, let's put it this way. I'd like you to still do your video demo at the 60 and the 140, and then whatever speed you try and get to after that. I just want to, part of having the ceiling, like the speed ceiling, is to make sure that you don't go into a realm of, you might be doing it right, maybe it feels like you're doing it right, but it actually turns out that you're not. So I just want to make sure that we stay within playing it as accurate as possible, as much as possible. So yeah, just to recap that, 60 and 140 for the demo, or whatever. So if you go past 140 in your practice, I'm asking you to send the video demo at 60, 140, and then whatever else you get to, so I can take a look at all of them, take a listen to all of them, and see what happens, see what I think there. Just want to make sure that everything's as accurate as possible, so this way you get the most out of this, right? Alright, so 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is at 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. maybe. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so just those two things this week. Hopefully your back is okay. And continue ramping things up as things return back to normal for you. And if you got any questions, let me know. I'll see you next week.